This is a video on the TELESIN GoPro Hero case. This is my GoPro Hero 2018, which has had a firmware, not update, but a firmware that's been put on it to make it a GoPro Hero 5. So, but anyway, this is about the case. This is the normal GoPro case which you get with the camera, with any GoPro camera Hero of this shape. This is the normal case that you get, which is a very good sturdy case. You have your button here, access to the button and microphone up here, access to the ports here, but you have to remove the door. So you have to, with this one, you have to remove the door first to get access to the ports, which I'll show you. As you can see, you can't, we put the camera in and close it, right? You can see you can't get access to the door, to the ports. You have to remove the door first with this particular frame. So with the TELESIN one, that's the GoPro one. Now with the TELESIN frame, as you can see, you got the same, you got access to the button at the side of the camera here. You got access to the button at the top. And also you can now, don't have to remove the door. So if I put it in and show you, put the camera in. Lock it down, nice firm latch on it, and as you can see, I've got full access to the door, so I don't even have to take off this door. I can just open that door for the ports here, and I have full access with this case, and close it back if I don't need it. So there's no removing of the door with this TELESIN case. TELESIN frame. Same again, you have the access to the button of the camera, the mode button, and switch it on. Microphone port here, microphone accessible there at the top. I have used this case, and it may not look it, but it has, you can pick up the mic from around here as well. So with this case, and as you can see with this case, it has a thicker frame, thicker protection frame around the camera, rather than this one has a very slim profile, slim frame right around the camera, very slim on the actual GoPro one. And this one, it's more thicker. The same on the back here, if you turn it both around. The frame is more thick around here where the screen is than the GoPro one, but it's still good protection, and as I said, you can still able to see the screen. I'll see if I've got any battery life in it. I might not have any battery life in there. Oh, I've got battery life, that's it. And as you can see, you can still have access to the screen and the functions. Even the GoPro branding, it still can be seen from there. This case, I have to admit, has a kind of better, sturdier feel than the actual GoPro one. Even with the camera out of it, with the camera in it, it just feels tough, very tough, rather than with the actual one that comes with the GoPro camera. Which feels, in comparison to this, feels a little bit, I would say not as robust. I'd say a bit thin, like. While this film's absolutely robust. You get a nice thumb screw with it, which looks like this. A wing thumb screw, which is quite nice. Ignore this. This is just a tripod mount, which you get with it. So, but I think the TELESIN case, this only cost me around about £5, £5 off eBay. You can buy these off Amazon. I've seen them on Amazon. They're a bit more on Amazon than eBay, and other companies other than TELESIN do make this case. Exactly the same. So it's a very good case, very sturdy. Fits into GoPro accessories no problem, as you can see. Fits into it all right. And especially if you're using, as I already mentioned, this power grip before in my video, where the ports are here on that side. So if you want to keep your GoPro charged all day, because this will supply your GoPro literally all day. You can even charge your phone with this grip. As I said, because that's on the side here, the ports are on the side here, and that's on the side. All you need is a very small cable, USB-C cable, to fit through there to power your GoPro literally all day. So once again, I think this is a very good case, and this is the TELESIN frame. I keep saying case, but it's a frame. This is the TELESIN frame for GoPro Hero 5, 6, 7 and 2018 Hero as well. So I hope you like this video, well worth the money. I hope you like this video. Please like and please subscribe. Thanks.